Are you constantly dealing with an overwhelming amount of data that you need to import into the system? It can be a real headache to format all these files so that systems can import them. That's why we've streamlined the way you upload and process commissions data. Whether it's commission statements, book of business, pending business, contracting levels and hierarchies, RTS reports, or any other commissions information, OneHQ has your back. Picture this. With just a few clicks, you can effortlessly update your data with a PDF, Excel, or CSV file, saving you valuable time and sparing you the busy work. Contact us today to learn more about how OneHQ can make your life easier.